If you're experiencing approval delays with Chase Bank, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve your issue quickly. Step 1. Check your application status. Visit the Chase Bank website or use their mobile app to check the status of your application. This can provide you with information on whether your application is still under review or if additional documentation is needed. Step 2. Gather required documentation. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready, such as identification, proof of income, and any other information that may be required for your application. Having these documents on hand can speed up the approval process. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to Chase Bank's customer service via phone or online chat. Explain your situation and ask for specific reasons for the delay. They may provide insights or actions you can take to move things along. Step 4. Visit a local branch. If possible, visit a local Chase Bank branch to speak directly with a representative. They can often provide immediate assistance and may be able to resolve issues that are causing delays. Step 5. Follow up regularly. Stay proactive by following up on your application status regularly. Apply to inquiry every few days can keep your application on the radar and may help expedite the approval process. By following these steps, you can work towards resolving any approval delays you may be facing with Chase Bank. Remember to remain patient and persistent throughout the process.